everyone, today I've got a quick PC building tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to install this graphics card. This is the ASUS ProArt 16GB RTX 4060 Ti. We're going to be installing it in this Corsair iCUE 4000D RGB mid-tower PC case, and this has the ASUS Tough Gaming X670E plus Wi-Fi motherboard in it. We'll get it all installed and set up. Now, if you're interested in any of these components, they're all listed below in the description, but let's go ahead and dive right into getting this graphics card installed. So first off, let's get our case all set up as well as running our PCIe cable to power our graphics card. So the first thing we need to do is figure out where our graphics card is going, and we're going to use this PCIe slot right here. This is the one that's closest to the CPU. This is typically where you would install your graphics card. You can see this one actually has metal reinforcing on it. Now I do have another one down here at the bottom, but we want to pick the one here at the top. First thing I'm going to do before I forget, there's a little kind of switch right here. We want to push that down just like that. Now I'm going to grab my graphics card and we're going to hold it up roughly in the correct position here. So we'll slide it in here and hold it up roughly in the correct position. And we can see that we need to remove some metal covers here at the back. So you can line it up and see which ones you need to remove. I need to remove the second and the third ones back here. So that would be this one right here and this one right here. So we can go ahead and do that. And these have little thumb screws that you can also use a Phillips head screwdriver on to remove. And these just pop out like that. They're just little covers. There we go. So on my graphics card here, you can see it uses a single 8-pin PCIe cable. Some graphics cards will need 2 of those, and some use the new 12-volt high power cable. So currently, plugged into my modular power supply, I have a single 8-pin PCIe cable there. That's all I'll be needing. But if you need 2 of these, you can look in your power supply box and you can add a second PCIe cable or that 12-volt cable if that's what you need. So those would plug directly into the back of your power supply. Just make sure you're plugging them into the correct spot. Then we can go ahead and take that cable or multiple cables and we're going to feed it up through the bottom here to the front side of the PC case. So there's the power cable. We'll put it off to the side for now. And we'll go ahead and grab our graphics card and we're going to line up the PCIe connector here with the PCIe slot down below. So make sure it's perfectly straight. You want to go directly in. And then when it's lined up, we're just going to give it a push. And it should pop into place just like that. And then we can go ahead and take one of the screws from the back plates here and just make sure this is as level as possible. And then we'll screw that in back here. Just like that. Now, if you do notice sag here in the graphics card, it's dipping on this end. They do sell little support brackets that can help support it on this side as well. Well, maybe I'll link those below in the description if you do need one. But we'll go ahead and grab our PCIe cable here. So again, some will use 2 of these, some will use that 12-volt cable. This one uses the 8-pin. Some will actually only use 6-pin, so that's why these are split here. So we do want to kind of push them together and make sure they line up properly. And make sure this is going in the correct direction. So it goes in this way. We're going to line it up there. Give it a push, and that is all plugged in. So I'm going to go ahead and get this up and running, and we'll show you where you can get your drivers for the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. All right, so my PC is all up and running here. I do have the drivers already installed, but I'll show you where to get them. So if you head down to your browser and do a quick Google search for the NVIDIA app, it's the first one that pops up for myself. I'll link this below in the description, but you can go ahead and download the NVIDIA app. It's totally free. And install that. And once it's installed, I'll open it up here. I've got a shortcut on my desktop. It'll look something like this. And over on the left-hand side here, it says drivers. And this is where you can download the most recent drivers and update the software. And this will keep your graphics card running as it should with the most recent drivers. It's really simple to do. So make sure you do this so everything runs properly. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you get your graphics card installed. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.